Lenovo V50s 07 IMB. Lenovo Calliope mouse, USB connector, black. Lenovo Calliope keyboard, USB connector, black. Compact, fast, and powerful business desktop. The compact Lenovo V50s small desktop is fast, responsive, and efficient, setting your employees up to multitask with ease. It combines the power of the latest 10th Gen Intel Core processors with the speed of DDR4 memory to maximize productivity. Versatile and secure, these accessible also offer discrete graphics options and convenient design elements like front-facing USB ports. 2x USB 2.0, 2x USB 3.2 Gen 1, 1x VGA, 1x HDMI out 1.4, 1x serial, 9-pin, 1x Ethernet, RJ45. Two DDR4 UDIMM slots, dual channel capable. Up to 2 drives, 1x 3.5, HDD plus 1x M2 SSD, 3.5, HDD up to 2 TB, M2 SSD up to 1 TB.
Okay.